Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook page name. The first thing that we are going to do is to open Facebook app, and now we are going to switch account and we are going to log out of our personal account, as you can see, and we are going to log into the page that we want to change its name. Once that we are here, we're going to scroll down until we see settings and privacy, and we are going to settings again. Now on this bar, we are going to type page setup. And as you can see, I have this option. Well, now the only thing that we have to do is to press on name, view, and here we'll be able to change it. But this is really important. You can change your name one time on 2 months. So please take care of this because you have to be sure that you want this new name. So now I'm going to write another thing, for example, this, and now I'm going to press on review change. So Facebook will take some time to verify this new name, and then you'll be able to see the updated name. So this is all the tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.